Okay, today is Deval's birthday, and look at all the stuff that I cooked. This is adobo, and pancit, and lumpia, and here is the pancit. See, it's a big old pot, and there is the decoration that I made. Okay, there. OMG, guys! Okay. See, nagkauntugan na! They bump each other. They bump into each other. Okay, bye-bye! You having fun?